All you gotta do is you won't take a chance. I sent it on the wall. I heard all the people say, come on now. If you read the water, get down on it. Get down and say, down on it. Get down on it. Hey, baby, get down on it. Down on it. Come on now. If you read the water, get down on it. Get down on it. Come on. Get down on it. Why don't I say, get down on it.
Good night, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, any part of the universe where you're at. Welcome to another podcast, another episode, of South Coast Podcast, raw, live from Dangriga Town, Concrete District, Belize, Central America. Yeah? From the Y. Locally, we call it the Y. But it's originally the drums of our father's monument. And why we come out here every Wednesday, that's how we get the blessings of our Godfather. Pretty weather, moon out right now, strawberry moon right now, the out there like that. Everything nice. I am your host, Baron from the Galaxies. And actually, my co-host will be here any minute soon. I think I see the man bike, the park up. So, yes, everything I plug in. I want to big up our sponsors, some of our sponsors for tonight's show. Daifa Radio and Daifa TV, the only Garifuna Radio TV and only Garifuna Radio and TV station in the universe. So, big up the CEO and the founder of Daifa Radio and Daifa TV, Mr. Maurice Herrera, all the time. We're live tonight on Hot Off the Press. We're also live tonight on the Learning Channel in Belmont, and we're live tonight on Wave TV. Why? We plug up tonight, Daifa, Hot Off the Press, Wave, and the Learning Channel. Boy, so make sure to plug in, share the live. Yeah, cause tonight we have some serious discussions. You know what the thing said? So, big up Miss Jude Foundation. Big up Rude Boy, Push Barber Shop. As you all know, we are the ambassadors of Jalona Bitters. So, I'll say the display on the table. We got some fresh labels. We have turmeric bitters right now, fresh. We have beef bitters, fresh. And we have Noone bitters, fresh. So everything plug in. Big up Push Barber Shop. Big up Gary for Irie. Big up Gary Maya. Big up Conflict Music. DJ Allah. Welcome to stage at you.
Another pass stage. No stage at all.
Welcome.
South Coast podcast set.
Welcome,
another stage. Anyway, folks,
yes, sir. Don't say yeah.
Welcome to episode 34. 24 for this year, 2026. Right? But I want to apologize before we start, like how we don't start, apologize to our people for last night. We had a family emergency. And we also gave time out for the Mayor's Cup. They have a game last night. So, I don't say that. Wait. Before we go there. So, Mr. Mayor, we pulled down South Coast yesterday. But I don't say on the schedule for next week Wednesday. So, I don't know if that's then game they will show live next week. I'm not sure what I want them, Mr. Mayor. But we will discuss it after this show.
after the show we are discuss that
You
one there.
can't throw salt in a South Coast rice. Because we know the stop. We know the stop. And,
Barry.
but so I want to apologize to last night because when I left, my phone started ringing.
Boy.
The one foreigners, the one who
We have to pick up.
Then I forget to post that.
We're not.
Whenever I'm a fatigue to me.
The last thing you tell me that you may have put up the post
that boy, but
you know?
I'm not,
right? So,
I want to apologize.
So I could pick up the people in the diaspora.
So when I pick up the people out yonder,
yes, sir.
Right? Now, KTL, New York, Chi-Town, you know,
Las Vegas,
New
York,
the whole crew, everybody.
Flatbush, Brooklyn.
The crew, Los Angeles, Wellackin, every time. Big up on yourself.
Yes.
And big up to my peoples there for Corozal, to PG,
sir.
And for Benke, to San Pedro.
Yes, sir.
Because the thing big.
Why my like San Pedro?
I have to big up my home boy.
The man not big up them people at Kikaka. The people at Kikaka love this man.
Yes, but that's
why Kikaka people, boy.
I'm a big up people at Kikaka and San Pedro. I they come sometime here next month. Next month, I come. But anyway, the Lord.
Yes, sir, brother.
Over there.
Thank God.
We got guests. We got a couple guests tonight.
Yes, sir.
We bring on for a set. And then we got guests. Summer no begin, summer just begin.
Summer don't start, man. Summer don't start, man.
The summer start the 30th. And you know the crime hit home for me. I want to sympathize or just with the family that lost their loved one, and I also want to empathize with the family who that the accuser. I will not say he is right, but he is the accuser of this crime. No, I mean the last week they plea to businesses and the mayor and other entity where to take on at least 4 or 5 of the youths there for this summer to create or at least job opportunity. Because you know we youths then it's stray. And we just want to create, make them know that whatever you want in your life, you gotta work for it to have it. It's not easy, come just like that.
You have to make sacrifices.
You have to sweat. The sweat of thy blood that can make you eat. You feel?
Yeah.
So make we hold it down, man, with this crime, man.
Yeah, man. I think actually, I think we're the community very much, heavy. A heavy vibe over the community. The level of violence and crime what happen in our community, and what happen in this country, it get ridiculous. And we have to do our part as parents. We have to do our part as a part of the community. Everybody, all we play a role. So everybody have to play their role in a guiding the youth there, and going their youth at the right way, and we don't want this violence to spiral farther than where it is. We need to hold it down. We need to have some kind of intervention. Need to go on. We need something have to go on. We need the police. We need everybody to come in. We need the social partners. We need everybody to come in. And make we deal with this situation, and make we get back to the community in our sense of, safety. You know what I'm saying, actually?
I know when I say safety, we safe, that those like where who motivate you or who could set you up for one or do crime. You feel me?
Yeah.
Like that never in a way. Then you would not know about tap and marble and full of milk pan with sand and run string through it and run it. They don't know about that iron wheel and you run it with a stick, right? They don't know about where they want near with the matchbox, and you dash pan the wall, they don't know about that. They don't know about if you go hunt, jump on a bike and ride it. I we are called 2 million now, right? We why? There's a lot.
Yeah, I mean,
There's a lot.
a lot change.
Today, day,
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I know you hear what music in the background.
yeah, don't worry
Right?
about that
Mr.
noise, man.
Serrano,
They blaze up
they
the
blaze
spot.
up the place. Don't know.
We got music
we have-
tonight.
we have-
Free music.
So big up, if you don't want to come up, sing on the karaoke.
Karaoke, eh?
Karaoke, they go right in front there.
Live.
Live. So,
That's why everything hot, you know.
yeah.
So Koast bring out people and everybody and why,
Why?
right?
Active.
But
I big up the people that are fan, the chat active already. The chat active already. Big up them people at Belmopan, boy.
somebody call me, but I can't answer this right now.
Why you say why our corner, our reason I got on this shirt, we were corner, man, we were corner, we are corner.
But the blaze and make a check me chat. Make a check me chat. Wait. Yeah, what? Make a check me chat. Right now,
we are dealing with so serious matters.
Yeah, right now that crime.
Right?
Crime.
We could deal with serious matters.
So serious, yeah.
Check serious matters.
When we reach,
Check.
right?
So,
but that day we there.
yeah. So we need to hold it down. The summer just start, and then picnic they want the boat. Everybody run boat. Gentlemen, I want to know that any problem where you get on yourself in, now not on a friend, not put on in, nobody put in no problem. Now you make on your own decision. So if you get in a problem, now you got put on yourself in a thing, so you know where you to deal with. Because if you go now jail at a young age, you want to take lick, you know. You want to take lick. And I tell you something. Now loan batty man then a jail. So now they say on a faggot. They want to come out and play like on a bad man. On a batty boys. Straight up. So if now that on into, actually, we not into that. So on behave on yourself, on find something constructive for you.
I big up my Belmopan people, man.
I tell you, your Belmopan people, I don't tell you already.
Plug in. Big up the learning channel.
Why?
With the live
Why?
channel out of Belmopan.
Why?
I tell you, I got a big meeting today. And at the
Respect,
work.
man. Respect, man. Yeah, put in the work.
At the work. So, Belmopan Kayo, Gatway.
Yeah.
Big up Wave Radio, Wave TV. They Gatway. I tell you now,
Half the press.
hot off the press.
Galway.
Before this, they are done now. Corozal, we are there. Well, we done today. But I want to run for a TV station out of Corozal.
Yeah.
And I think I good. Will me hear the call, see how that PG
Yeah, we need for
PG TV.
yes, man. And
Right,
the amount of wangla one, don't see this man up that side. Want to give you one plug, man.
Right, but I put in my groundwork because I want the thing hit everywhere.
Yeah,
right?
with the work,
And
I just
saw the
time
thing-
in.
I just time in, but that was sacrifice.
Yeah.
Right now, I try hit everywhere and I try get more ads. So we want commercial break, we want job opportunity. We first guest in here.
Yeah, we first guest and the other step us.
The first guest is on set. We are take a quick break because right now time is not on our side. And we are bring on the first guest. South Coast Podcast, right? It's the 24th edition for this year. 34 since we started. We'll be back. Once again, thank you very much, guys. We don't to just know a little bit more.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to PUP South Coast Podcast Raw. What episode we that today here?
24.
All right, remember the numbers, you know. Remember the numbers, you know.
For this year.
Remember the numbers, you know. But as we said earlier, we have our first two guests, you know, special, well-respected gentlemen in the country, Mr. Anthony Montejo, Mr. Colette Montejo, sorry, and we have Mr. Harry Arzu. We have Mr. Harry Arzu on set, gentlemen. Welcome to South Coast Podcast Raw. It's a pleasure to have you, gentlemen, on set. You're here for the first time, ladies and gentlemen. This tonight, not history, you know. That's why I want to remember the numbers there. First, this is history, you know. This is the first time we have representatives from the People United Party.
Fire.
Now,
Fire.
right? First time we have people representing the People's United Party on South Coast Podcast Raw.
And earlier, I just made a talk to somebody and I say, but you know, on the podcast, me don't want to see no politicians.
Why?
Because then the rat they get fat.
Now alone fat rat.
Alone fat rat.
But I feel what though?
Yeah.
I feel them man are not coming for that.
No, that's why. I know they're not coming for that. Yes, I officer. Big up.
We have to bring out for several ministers now. Then
But I think. But anyway,
so these gentlemen here are here to discuss because there are two activities that will be taking place here in Dangriga Town this weekend. From tomorrow, we have the opening of the multi-purpose. Huh?
No, not Youth
Fest.
Sorry. Youth Fest.
We have the Belize Youth Movement.
Youth Fest.
Will be hosting a Youth Fest at the multi-purpose over in front of the Sacred Heart School. Right? So we invite everybody to come out there tomorrow.
So that I get inaugurated.
Right? Yeah, I get inaugurated tomorrow. No, I just
use it.
Yeah, so with the top, that way with the top, well, no, that.
No, not tomorrow.
Right? So firstly, we're going to discuss that, and then we're going to discuss the national convention that the People United Party will be having here in Dangriga on Saturday.
Again?
Yes, man.
Why? The last time that 98.
No, national convention. Yeah. It's a national party council.
National Party Council.
Because I want to happen in 98, I mean what?
National
convention.
I mean, welcome to the party.
Yeah.
No, man, that may happen in Eleho Benny.
No, a different thing.
So what happened in Eleho Benny?
I'm not sure.
That may.
Harry.
I'm not sure.
That your party when they may bring everybody caliente girls. No man, no Holy Ghost, brother.
I'll help it. Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. All right, now so but we are discuss about tomorrow first.
Correct.
All right,
guys,
gentlemen,
welcome to South Coast Podcast. Right, I know hear about this podcast. The whole world, the whole town, the whole nation, everybody know about our podcast. So I want to welcome you guys and then I want to introduce yourself before we continue this conversation about this youth fest.
All right. Good night, everyone, and good night, Belize and beyond. I want to thank you guys for having us tonight. We really appreciate being here. What we are here for is to discuss what we call the youth explosion, being coordinated by the Belize Youth Movement, that will take place tomorrow night here in Dangriga at the multipurpose park that is being constructed at this time on the front street in front of the Sacred Heart Church and School. That is being put together by Honorable Dr. Zab and his colleagues. Tomorrow is going to be a very exciting and explosive night with a large number of young people coming from across the country. A lot of young people that will entails a series of artists from Dangriga and surrounding areas and across the country that will entertain the locals around here. And it's going to be a grand event. and Mr. Collette will also talk more about that. Also, we're gonna discuss the National Party Council event that will take place on Saturday morning at the Chester Garcia Auditorium. So it's gonna be two huge events that will take place here in Dangriga, putting some excitement into this community for this weekend.
Yes, sir.
So that's our introduction right now. Mr. Montero, you want to talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, certainly, Mr. Hurry. I prefer talking a Creole since
Yes,
we're talking
man.
a Creole, right?
Definitely, man. A
Right?
rat, so Koast right,
Yes,
you know.
yes, of course. Right.
Mr. I want to tell me about more, little bit before about the Belize. What's the Belize youth movement is about?
Yes, the BYM,
Yes, sir.
Belize Youth Movement. My name is Colette Montejo. I'm the Secretary General of the People's United Party.
Okay.
Right? We decide we come down to Griga and give Griga some PUP love. Not that we know always Guinea.
Yeah.
All right, but we would bring. We decided we are bringing out two big events at Riga. The first one are the Youth Fest, where they feature the best punk rock artists we Belize have. Super G, Chico Ramos,
You'll be
QB, Sweet Pain, and there's one more I forget. I
Talking
don't want
about
to
the
forget.
young generals.
Young Generals and so on, right? So it'll be a good event out there at the multipurpose park. The park is not quite completed yet, not quite ready for inaugurated, but we'll get there. All right. And once tomorrow night kick off, it'll be one of the first major events at the park.
It's going to be the first, yes.
Right?
If we cut to short, when was this all planned? How long was this in the making?
All right. Well,
I
this
just hear about it tonight.
I know. We will have this event back in I think November last year, and the weather never allowed it, so we had to postpone.
Okay.
And then we decided, guess what, we'll push it through, come what may this time around. So if the weather not cooperate, we say if the weather not cooperate at the park, we're in a Chiste.
Okay.
Right? But we only decide, Harry know the reality, we decide late last week to push through this event. All right? And Monday, actually, that when we really put it in a high gear. And so we're grateful for you guys hosting tonight for continue to promote this. It's been promoted all over the country. I know that the youth department countrywide is promoting it because they are bringing youth from all over, right? The Belize Youth Movement, which is the youth arm of the Belize, of the People's United Party, of the PUP, then they promote it all over. So we have young people come for all 31 constituencies out there tomorrow night.
I mean, so now a good time for congregate.
Yes.
Network.
Buses were in at home.
Buses when they're in a town.
Hotel sold out.
Hotel sold out. If you want a hotel at Griga, sorry for you. There's no room available in Griga.
So the economy, the small economy is boosting up.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, that economy booster.
Yes.
So we have vendors out there.
Right.
Vendors will get out there by the park. Get out there.
Vendors.
Set up. We're not charge nobody for setup. Set up your thing, sell your thing, make your money.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This thing, they start
7
tomorrow night.
Okay.
What you Harry?
7 till about 1 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
7 to 1.
Right. Tight security.
All right.
Tight security. We understand when I listened to the guys earlier. They discussed the crime situation, the cognizant of that.
I glad that that you're there, you know, and I want, you know, we care that far that too, you know. I know, you know, you're the man we could make things happen, you know. You could make certain things reach certain ears, you know, and we want to care that far that we need the help in this community. We need the help in this community. We need to fix this crime situation in this community.
Tell the fat rat brings out cash.
No, just cash.
Oh,
like Unu say rightly.
We need, you know.
Yeah, like Unu rightly say, Walata it start with the family.
Yeah, right.
Walata it start in the home with making sure we properly discipline kids.
Yes.
And make them appreciate
what they have.
What they have.
Yes.
You know, I always tell people poverty and no excuse to crime.
No man.
All of we grow up poor. I
Poor.
grew up, we go back
Yeah.
water the river.
Right. Back sand, all of we grew up
Yeah.
poor.
Eat crab.
All right.
Yeah, ratty.
Right.
So, but what we want, what we say is the more economic opportunities we bring to Riga, the better it is. All right. I know that Dr. Zab has been pushing quite a bit. I know me and Mariano has been pushing quite a bit. But they take all of we and take the business community to come together and understand. And at the same time, bro, I tell you, we need the young people to find a real and true identity again.
Yeah.
Boy. Yo.
Mother fire, man.
Yo, you said a lot.
Yeah, man.
I
That really,
you said a lot. I always say, lot of we don't know who we, where we come from. You need to know you before anybody else.
And you have to love you.
You have to love you.
Because listen, yo,
You have
you
to
might
love
be
you.
a fisherman, and I don't know that. You don't know neither, but you have to go find out who you are, so that whenever you find out who you are,
You find your purpose.
then you find out why you're there for, and that'll be your life. That's your gift from
Your
from
purpose.
Jaja.
Your purpose.
The purpose.
That's the way I feed you and make you start a family.
Yep.
You have to find yourself.
So when they said I'm also
So we have to get the youth there. We have to bring the youth there together. You know, we start when you have that the foundation.
Yeah.
You know, I have to give kudos to you know, the Dangriga Football Association again. They have the tournament with the youth the other day. Man, it was so. I tell you, it was hard. It was hard. It was very warming. It was warming. They go out there, they go see them picnic, the play football, see the parents out there, you see their family come out, you know, and you see the picnic happy, you see them, you know, no vibe on the field, you know.
Love their children. Make sure that they are properly taken care of as well. Let the young people be a part of a constructive program. You know, engage in sports, educational activities, summer camps. You know, talking about summer camps, the youth department here is organizing a series of summer camps for this upcoming summer here. As a matter of fact, they are conducting. There'll be a cake baking summer camp taking place at ITBet starting Monday right here. You know, cake baking. People could make money off of that. You know, then they're going to be an agricultural summer camp also that will take place up in the same area, at the agricultural area, up in Hope Creek area. They're also going to have in Dangriga, we want to set up a bartending summer camp for young people. We want to take that, bring some young people from Dangriga and take them to Hopkins. So we want to have a joint collaboration between young people from here and young people from Hopkins. I want to take that bartending summer camp at Ella's School Spot. You know, so we want a couple of young people from here. I'm gonna take them there and engage them in a bartending course. And this will be done from a highly respected institution from BTB. You understand? So this is gonna be very, very high. It's a high level.
BTB have to pay for the
right?
No,
No, but I'm saying that they will be the one. I'm just saying that they will be the one to sponsor.
Why?
First.
I'm just saying that they are putting
I
up.
get you, but tell them when you're going to meeting, they need to advertise for Koast and Daifa. We are here.
All right, good.
Well, just on the know, right? Right now, when they push through the National Sports Council, they push through the super nationals.
Right.
And I think Mr. Harry, you're not part of the youth the youth arm, right? I mean,
Right.
But Belize or just Dangriga?
Dangriga. We're talking about the youth department.
The youth department.
Right.
What we try to do, guys, what we try to do, now make we young people understand. Right now, the World Cup, they go on.
Oh, boy.
Man, they out the road, they make big money, right? We can't continue to see sports as our entertainment. They have to be a business.
Right.
Our industry.
They have to be an industry.
It's an industry.
We need the business people to invest in our industry.
Right, me
Alright.
play. Listen, like I tell you something.
Yeah.
I play a game. I play a game PS5 and the money.
The money.
Just to sit down home.
Yes.
Uno my ticket to joke. I don't
No.
tell you. Not just to sit down and play a game. It's an industry. You know you could sit down home and like a $500,000 where you could win right now on a game.
Yeah.
So
But
it's
this
an industry. We have to stop the use of sports and
I mean, we have to stop there. I mean, we have to stop
we
you.
need to open up a sports school.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
you
we
know
need
that
we need a lot.
Honduras,
I mean, you know, we need a lot to happen. We need a music
Honduras.
school. We need sports for me monetizing at this country.
far developed than
We need
Honduras, you know. You know that Honduras will happen?
we need our music industry.
The Honduras,
You know, we always talk about music industry. We don't got no music industry in Belize.
moral work and
We don't make no money off of entertainment in Belize. We don't make no money off of entertainment, off of football. We don't make no money off of basketball. We not go on with we. Not no go on with we. We need things to happen for the youth.
Virgin,
Well, we have
me here on talk earlier that about bringing another semi-pro team to Dangriga in relation to football. One of the objects, and we talk about the BYM tonight, right? One of the objects of the BYM, not only for empower the youths, but for make sure they understand their purpose, make sure they understand the reasoning there, and help them to become the future leaders of this country, future entrepreneurs, the future business owners. You understand? And that's the whole initiative. That's why we push the BYM in every nook and cranny of this country. And bringing the youth from all over the country to Dangriga, I believe are right time. Because the young people at Dangriga need to understand, you know what, we're not there alone. We have a support structure. And once we could build this and nurture this and strengthen this, I could tell you right now, we have ministers where they serve as ministers of the PUP. We're gone through the Belize Youth Movement. We're nurtured by the Belize Youth Movement. And one of the things where the BYM will do later this year, they have a professional course for help young people where want to establish themselves in a business, understand where you take. Because I don't care what anybody say. When you own your business, when you are your own boss,
nobody can fire.
why watch you?
You get up when you want.
No. I mean, I'm not really just
Not like
get up.
that,
Not really just get up when you want to work, but I mean, you know,
You work harder.
you work harder. You know, you're more
You
inspired.
know your ins and outs.
You know,
Yes.
you know.
That's it.
And you have your job creation. You help other people.
Yeah. So,
You know.
so that's what we are pushing, and what we are bringing, and it's a punta explosion this Friday night. Tomorrow night their time this thing don't start.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and all roads will lead to Dangriga, and then Saturday morning.
Somebody said it. Does the youth department assist youth in deeper south? Example: Georgetown, San Roman, Santa Rosa, Red Bank, San Juan.
Yeah.
Of course, especially we just recently completed a business training for young people for the South in Independence. Georgetown were invited. It's between the Stan Creek district and the Toledo. It was a very, very professional business training. This is to encourage entrepreneurship amongst these young people. So, of course, we personally went down to Georgetown and invite young people from there.
So somebody just say young people need startup jobs for their businesses.
Yeah,
Exactly.
and there's a special initiative by government focused on MSMEs. As a matter of fact, the MSME roadshow is on already, and it's coming to Dangriga. And what we do is ensure that these guys can get the seed money to get their businesses going. All right, Beltrade does a lot of work with that. They need to, when they get on their computer or their phone, instead of the mess with that at TikTok, make them start to focus by research how they could find the organization for the lending and kind of support, right? Because it's there.
Yeah.
It's there right now for the taking.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I just want to say, right, I know that these gentlemen, yes, then they come as a part of the People's United Party, right? But we will invite them back so that we could ask them the hard questions that you folks would like to get answered.
None about the
right? But
politics.
tonight, none about the politics.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, we
No,
know.
they just share something that is going on. Yes, we all know. You know.
That I could blaze up.
Right?
I
This thing,
know
we
how
know.
I
But this is another
None
time.
about
None about
None
that.
about that.
We will invite these gentlemen back again, and
Then
then
we
we all know that
politics.
Mr. Harry is the regional manager for the
the
youth department.
Yeah.
Right? We got some tough questions to ask Harry. I want to ask her right now, but we're not there for that right
And then we
now.
got
I'm
Mr.
not the regional, but we have a regional.
We have a regional manager, right?
We have one.
Now we have
Montejo.
Mr. Montejo,
Montejo.
who is the secretary
General.
general
for the
for the
PP.
for the People's United
Remember,
Party. So
earlier on the show, I tell you that on South Coast, we don't deal with politicians, but it's a exception.
Yes,
And we
sir.
know they are for the deep politics.
yeah, we know you have to discuss
We know they
politics,
plan that.
right? We will get
What
to that.
will they do this weekend? That bring economic activity
Yes,
to Nigeria.
yes.
So with that said and done, right, Mr. Montejo,
Yeah.
we create jobs for small businesses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How can
I remember they have
other people could get some grants to start the business?
That's why
this is how the man
Let
all
go.
this information,
This is-
we could bring that information back to you.
yeah, man. That's how I say
Because
that
we want to keep
information.
it positive.
Yeah.
That
Well,
day we
yeah,
do. That day we do.
yeah, man.
The kind where my youths they could apply.
Yes.
You see, I think all of that discussion then we will come back to that.
Yeah, come back to that.
Right, we will come back to that
So,
discussion.
yo,
Right? So with the
everybody
top
on
over
the
the
live,
yeah, man.
I know I get
Yeah.
Some man call me that they bond me right now. That
When they get one out, when they get one out.
When they
When they get one out right now, when they get serious money. Man, when they get we accept all of the fire right now. Right now, the phone time on a bonfire for way right now, on a bonfire. But we don't have no politics right now, my people. We will come back to that, man. We will come back to that, man.
They probably want to quarrel until 12:1
No. We discuss.
We discuss, man. We discuss.
Positive.
Yeah, man. We discuss so two economic
Activities for Nigeria.
that is going to be happening
Right.
this weekend here, and we're also bringing other youths from around the country that's going to be here in Dangriga. So want to come out and on network, on intermingle with each other, get to know each other, on to learn with each other, and then we're going on to Sunday now.
Saturday.
Saturday.
4th of July.
You know, for the Galaxy guy,
America's
move fast,
250th birthday.
Anniversary, yes,
Right?
Independence.
Yeah.
Independence, 4th of July.
4th of July.
Actually, birthday
I know
is not the day, bro.
No, but I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear 4th of July. I don't want to hear.
Right.
I want to see bombs and rockets.
Yeah. Yeah. We're on the right at Chester Garcia. We're on the right at Chester Garcia.
So
at the
Saturday,
forum.
where would they go on Saturday?
Saturday is the National Party Council.
All right, so
Right. That's the second highest level authority in the People's United Party.
Okay.
We'll have the Prime Minister and basically all the area representatives, etc. down here. All 31 constituencies bring their delegates. And we're looking at serious business. We're looking at the issues. We're passing some serious resolutions. One of them is solidarity to the people of Venezuela. We will definitely hold a moment of silence for the young people in Dangriga that have been killed or murdered recently, and we extend sympathies to the families. Man, we know how hard it is.
Yeah,
it's not easy to lose a loved one, especially to gun violence. I remember I was here in Dangriga one time when a guy was shot just on the street from here. And these kind of things, senseless killings, we want to continue to address it. So we're moving, and we're also dealing with a resolution on youth, and the exact same thing we were talking about, establishing them in entrepreneurship, etc. So that what the party does is it says to the lawmakers, this is the direction we want to go. Right? These are the things that are important. These are the things when we listen to the people, they are saying they need this. Right now, the jobs report came out, right? Unemployment is at 1.9%. But that's for people seeking jobs. We want to address the young people primarily and give them more opportunities. That's what government is about, creating the enabling environment so that people could use their skills and convert that to money. You understand me? So whatever, like skill right there. I sit down there and I watch it and I say, boy, remember they are serious. All right, but we need for monetize that. We need to monetize that and expand that. And I appreciate you giving us the opportunity for them on this show tonight. I promise we will come back and deal with
The politics.
Yeah, man.
We're going
The
deep.
issues.
the issues.
I know.
I always tell people, all are with a politician. Everybody a politician because everybody, whether you're the home or in your classroom or in your yard, you're the set policies. Because
Those are
that's what a
rules.
politician is.
Yeah.
It's about setting policies. And you set the rules in your house. You tell your picnic, you're going out, but you don't get thrown here by 9 o'clock.
If you go 2-5 past,
Yeah.
you get slapped.
And also that we want the prime minister tell the minister then you if you thief you go in a
Well,
jail.
that's exactly what they say. That's exactly what they say. You'll find out when
Saturday serious.
Nobody.
Serious thing. We know the play game.
We wait
Hey,
till they done.
we know the play games and everything, everything. Because it's about the people.
Yes.
We have to continue to develop this country.
Yeah.
Right? That's
Man,
important.
we have a beautiful country.
That's important. That's what,
country,
man. Listen, I wish you know that hear and understand our Prime Minister and how serious someone serious for all of this. Serious.
He got 28. I like the
Yeah.
part where he say he got 28. And
Yeah.
he will get rid of
Love.
so much.
Yes.
Because you only need 16.
Yes.
But see, people don't understand the constitution too, so some people don't follow it.
Yeah.
So that's why we need to get educated. That's why we need to have dialogue.
Yeah, no problem.
You know, that's why we need to have dialogue.
We have to stop watch the
No.
color.
We have to
We got to get above the political.
After 3 and 5 years, no we there together.
Yeah, again.
As one, you know.
Yeah.
Right? Real.
It no matter who they in.
Yes.
Right?
That's
We
exactly.
planting a banana, still they grow.
That's why it have to be. That's why it have to be about beliefs.
match.
It have to be about your community.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
You know. And anyway, gentlemen.
Jaluna bitters,
So
boy.
yes,
Right.
man. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Constituent, the
Yeah.
minister
Jaluna
there,
bitters.
they need to buy 31 gallon. Because we are the ambassador of Luna Bitters too. No?
Yeah.
So we are going to stall out this Saturday.
Actually,
If we don't give we permission.
I don't tell my virgin.
diaper.
I don't tell
Diaper.
Daifa that we establish
A relationship.
a relationship for run ads and what have you.
Please,
To
man,
man.
please,
We
man.
they have to support each other, man. And
But we want some of the government ads.
this is the small business.
Oh,
We
yeah,
have to
man.
work with
We
you.
are here.
We have to work with
Small
you.
Gentlemen,
Hey, we work with each other. That's what
Gentlemen.
we build up each other. That's what it's
Boys
all about.
and girls,
gentlemen, boys and girls. You know, with that said,
we like the conversation.
right, the conversation be good, right?
Love it.
But you know, we know that the political engine machine they start and
Grease up.
grease up, and you say they call that dog they start from,
But we're not going into
right?
that.
Well,
We're not going into that.
right. So here where they go on now.
Quick break.
I want to make you know, right, that when you see what they happen, when you go out there, make so serious, make on a decision, right? Make on a decision based on the situation that is going on in a Fui community,
We want them decide to come out tomorrow night.
right? And we
Yes,
want
Mr.
on the come,
Monteiro and Mr. Arjo,
on come out tomorrow,
enforce
on come out tomorrow,
the people the ordinance.
Come out
and
tomorrow.
the man will come back again, and we will
Deal with politics.
deal with
Yeah.
politics. I
Tomorrow night.
promise.
And here, when they come back, we are take calls.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Yeah.
Tomorrow night.
Take calls.
Tomorrow night about featuring our
The
local artists.
Artists, youths.
Super G, Sweet Pain,
Wasabi,
Wasabi, QB, Chico Ramos,
Young General.
about
Young
young generals, about feature the talent what we got. And we continue to
Uplift
promote
them.
and uplift them because them Virginia, then they make a name for we too.
Yeah.
Right? QB just kind of California the other day.
This weekend.
Right? Super G always they out there. We have this are the yellow economy. We have to promote that.
Yeah.
We have to promote that. That could bring serious money to the country too. All right.
Well, Mr. Monteiro,
So-
Mr.
Tomorrow night, guys, 7,
Correct.
right there at the multipurpose park. If you're not there, you know where.
Nowhere.
All right.
Correct.
And Saturday
Rainer.
at the
Saturday.
auditorium.
We
That
be
is-
there.
We the shoot
Okay.
Saturday.
Nine.
We the shoot Saturday.
We start at
I
10
want it
o'clock.
there.
All right.
I got a bar.
10 o'clock at the auditorium to about midday,
Midday.
Yeah.
right?
So,
All right then, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're
guys,
gonna
I
take a
want to
short
thank
break.
you for coming
Thanks
to the
for brother.
podcast.
No
You know,
problem,
this
man.
is South Coast Podcast.
Yeah.
Raw. You're
Hurry.
welcome anytime.
Yes, sir.
All right. Commercial break. We'll be back. We have guests. Patapa guests. We'll be back.
Bye.
No, no, you're
Right.
on fire.
Noon. Once again, thank you very much, guys, and welcome back to episode 34. 24 for this year, 2026. We're live on the set. I want to big up once again, give thanks to people who make it possible. Good night to Conflict Music, Gary for Irie, Kush International, Hot Off the Press. I also want to say good night. Thanks to DJ Allo, Daifa Radio, and TV, the Learning Channel, Outer Belmopan, Wave Radio and TV. Good night, Miss Ella Kanarki. I didn't miss anybody.
Push International.
I don't say that.
Garimaya.
I don't say that. Rude boy, Miss Ella. So guys, welcome to the set. I know that sports will happen tonight, right? And I want to welcome on a salute because the last time I said something and they take it the wrong way. I don't apologize for that. When I say something, I'm gonna stop thinking about it negative, man. Match it up positive. Right? 'Cause I don't mean nothing bad. When I say, you see, no right, you see, right, you see, it's a positive vibe. But anyway, you know what? That water under the bridge. That water under the bridge. They body are like duck. They body are like duck.
Just gentlemen, I know
That me good down there.
no handsome youth the front yard. Alright, now I block off the handsomeness a little bit. YGFC, this is our rematch. Where they go on Saturday. Na Ramos.
Live.
Versus Caesar FC from Benin City. So, on make sure on come out early.
Yeah.
Alright, good. Now that one you have to promote. So let's start.
Alright, guys, no. Right, we have, as I said, the managers are YG on set. Everybody know Sag, one of the roughest boy out of Griga. Baddest DJ out of Griga. Only the baddest we promote, you know. Not bad, you see? You see how I said that? And I don't mean bad like that. I have to. So, but he is one of the roughest. And also we have Lema Lewis. One of the roughest Jangono dancer. Again, watch it. Bad midfielder. But guys, I'll give one the honor to do the thing. You want to do the thing.
Alright. Well, we have to promote Saturday, July 4th. We do
that my independence, my birthday. That?
Sure.
Yeah, July 4th.
So that means you have fly out.
No.
We do rematch. Because when we got a city? 31st. 31st, I mean. Yeah, we got a city with PSC's Ridge. They win in a penal. So we say we are bringing them home at Dangrega. Right?
So I get a home game.
We get a home game. But the money was stay home here.
Alright.
Money
was
was stay right there.
Caesar Ridge. Yeah, we start right.
So we have the players, everybody ready. We have a pre-match. The pre-match with Mango Creek. A team from Mango Creek, Vikings FC. Right? Vikings, they mash up Banana League. The Banana League? Yeah, Banana League. They're good right now. Versus Beatong.
Alright.
Right? So
Why Beatong?
Saturday Beatong are ready.
Why I hope Beatong did have good spirits for Saturday, you know, because they demoralized.
They're ready, man. They're ready.
They're ready.
I know you got 24 ones yet.
They're ready. Also jump out at the stable first, win the race.
Why? Alright. I hope Beatong they don't.
They're ready, man.
They're ready, man.
Why don't get a rasta together, the players together.
Beatong ready. Saturday Beatong are redeemed themselves.
They better redeem themselves Saturday.
So two of them money have to stay home.
Alright.
Saturday.
So that 2 bet?
Yeah, so what happened is
Beatong the bet?
no, what happened is we got two
Beatong
prizes for the pre-game.
They got price of pre-game.
Yeah, for pre-game.
2,000. Serious?
And then the rematch at $3,000.
Then we will beg the minister there whether they are Saturday for another 2.
You double up,
You don't say we are working on the right.
Now we need to eat, we need barbecue, we need a lot of things. We left where we don't get. Check.
Right? So
Why Paki and observation, right?
Why
Yeah,
Paki is suspended right now
Because
because of vulgarity.
Yeah,
no, I tell her earlier, I know bias.
No, it's bias, man. It's bias.
Right,
I know when Beatong they play, because when Beatong play Paki, he tattoo out, so he a die hard Beatong. He no want to see nothing else, he no see. So he now works on the Saturday. He now works Saturday.
So pre-match with Beatong and Vikings start 4:00 exact. 4.
Right.
Yeah, so we
Everything
need the
at the
people there to come out
4:30. 4:30
Because
after the day.
the game there start on time. 4 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and then we have the other game after at 7 o'clock. So we try to make all the games there, both of the games there, start on time.
And then why then they bring in their fans too, no?
Everybody to bring fans. Everybody. For B-Tongue to bring YG to bring fans.
We got entertainment.
Caesar Ridge ready too.
Yeah,
They
we
bring
got,
in fans.
What kind of entertainment we got?
Alright.
halftime, we got Vida
Halftime.
Mags
Yeah.
for the first game, and for the second game, we have Biggs, the
Biggs.
CEO. And then we also have YG.
Yeah, I want to travel so
Performance.
tunes.
Yeah. So
Alright.
we have entertainment as well. We might do some raffle in between. So we have the game set up.
We have enough drinks.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Drinks,
Hard and soft.
everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Hard and soft for the kids there, for the adults.
Alright.
So we want to urge the tongue. It's gonna be a family affair.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right?
It'll be a fun evening, man.
Yeah,
It'll be a fun evening.
Gonna come out, support the thing every time, support the thing, right? Save on the picky links and all that. I don't say me pro game, you know. We have fun.
And gentlemen, I want Sam to know to bring their match. Yeah, because you know their match there, we have to go watch their match most of the time.
Yeah.
Right?
So we'll start something new. We'll start something new.
Thank you, gentlemen, to bring it to yard.
Next
and
time,
we're excited to come to.
we are going next one for this. We are
So that's the beginning. So that's the beginning, you know.
So this is the trial. We
Yeah,
do.
yeah,
Right? First time.
Something for the tongue, for the community. You know, have some of the youth staying where they're out there. They like this vibe, so they enjoy the watch this.
I got
No
me-
Most of them want to play.
Yeah,
Yeah, they want to play, but everybody can't play, you know. So we have it, you know, since whereby that other teams will get challenged as well. So other teams will get involved. So other players will play, you know. So people could showcase their talent. You know, we do this for the community. It's
Yeah.
It's not for we. It's for
we
greed.
have roster already where we play, right? Because Caesar Ridge requests that we have the same roster.
Huh?
But apart from that, we have other youth, so we have joined. We add there as a family. So for the next match, we just again our next 17 man, 18 man, random pick out of our crew,
And they were
and we go mash up and win that money there.
Yes, sir.
Feel me?
Yes, sir.
So all the money was there home.
All the money for
Yeah,
the
Caesar
yeah.
Ridge, you know, here, right?
Caesar Ridge, you know, better call ready
don't
to
think
win.
we don't have to agree, guy.
No.
This
No.
not on a thief with a Belize, on a thief with a. I say it like that, on a thief with a Belize. Yeah, on another called thief with.
Everybody do their job, man. They do their job.
Different thing.
The result at the end of the game. The result at the end of the game, you know.
Strong game.
Yeah.
I could say what I want.
Yeah, you
yeah,
say
yeah.
Yeah.
Saturday will be very entertaining, man. I
We're
think
not- we're
there are two good matches, you know, and so let's look forward to Saturday.
We're not reach Penalia with the telling that for sure.
Yeah.
We're not
Right.
reach
I
Penalia.
use Alexander the World Glory.
Mhm.
Have the
The
referees,
best
everybody set up, man. Everybody,
Yeah.
referees, everybody. you know.
Everything
everything
ready.
So that's
set together.
the
Just to make everybody
Oh,
yeah, what?
prices.
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 I can tell you something when I do something like this, right?
Mhm.
When you cook the rice and beans yourself, when you chips and dips up the place because that the money we will count on. You know,
Yeah, we
so,
will invite.
even with that, too, right? So like even
you
like
have vendors too, but you see, you
Yeah,
have
so-
to develop. You have
More
to,
that a lot of work to
No,
that
it
shit.
no,
sounds
so-
like lot of work.
like how we push this right now to the Thursday, we have Friday, and then this will happen Saturday.
Mhm.
So we know the charge the vendors then we want to come out, go sell their stuff, whatever. We know the charge and nothing. If you got something and want to come out, go sell, we go spay on a fee if you go in at the stadium and then we go sell whatever we want to sell. You know what I
Just
mean?
go early.
Yeah.
Just go early.
Everybody welcome to go out there and sell where they want to sell, man. We don't charge the vendors, nobody.
The
will come out,
vendors,
man.
the vendors are got a weird
Yeah.
man. They are
They
got
come
a
out,
say.
man. They come out. Everybody come out. Everybody welcome, man. Everybody welcome. You know?
Everybody. Oh, prices.
Yeah.
Adults 10.
Kids,
Kids. Anna.
Kids are $5 and
Yeah.
under 10.
Anna 10. are
Everybody
free.
under 10 are free.
Yeah.
okay.
You know? Yeah.
But we are trying to bring surprises, so even if the money we give it, even if $50 and so
Surprises, prizes and
Yeah.
surprises.
Surprises and surprises.
So, but school,
Yeah.
that summer was, you know,
It's all good, boy. Now
Who you
we're
say?
nice.
Who you say? Who you say the call weekend?
All
the money people like,
All right, make them never bring so back there.
the money people,
All
no,
the politicians there, where they
Right.
go, where they
Right,
go.
that's not fun.
Make-
We don't make a good deep with them, Ali. Make a bond there, left them alone.
And I want some school bag for me next show next week. So
That's
I want
the
to
rat.
write down the water, all of the bus there, all of the
That's the rat, that's the rat.
I got
The
it.
fat rat.
Oh my, that side dog, everything.
That's the fat rat.
Huh?
Yes.
The fan
Right, that fan need to go color.
No, no, right there,
You see? Now a blue fan. See, all that time I want the fan around me because I'm a blue fan. So I never want the fan around me, so you may have to left it somewhere.
So you know, you're nothing.
No, I want a red fan.
You see how packet buy us? You know, all the about beatum. Actually, you buy us like about UDP.
No man.
Hey, we game no about
politics. Tell us, song.
We game no about.
Tell us, song.
Caesar Ridge,
Yeah,
FC, and YG.
Yeah.
This Saturday, that car.
Right, you know what?
Beaton and Vikings.
Make you give her a pass. Make you give her a pass.
Oh, how we are?
How we are? What mean how? We don't come up with the idea. People left on the chat, the answer. We are no win. But 2 pass. Come up with 2 questions. Quick. Red Fanta, I don't drink orange Fanta. Right? But anyway, Sag or Lima.
Alright,
Right,
so
with the thing.
quick question, right? First question. I have 3 members of YG. Just list the 3 members of YG, DJ, and I want to sell for pass.
Alright, good.
Easy.
They were calling.
That's a text.
Don't you know, man?
For the live.
Calm down, sir.
Yeah, text the
Yes,
live.
sir, go ahead. Things you go on.
Just text the live.
Yeah, just stay chat.
If you're there, so you can't text.
I don't use the radio station.
No way.
Let's go chat fast.
Yeah, fast chat.
Yeah.
Fast chat. Chat mode. Marisa, and the try monitor now.
Uncle, when I pass, who are the 3 members of YG? Easy. Easy.
Sam Solo and Jenna, somebody don't win.
See? Gone.
Colleen Ramirez.
See, somebody see? You see why I tell you? Check this live car. We will see different.
Yeah.
Make you give it.
Colleen, man. Colleen Ramirez don't win my pass.
Sag.
Alright,
Colin
Ramirez.
and Jenna.
Colin.
Ramirez.
Colin.
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 Let's go. Next
Sir,
question.
next question, sir.
Next
All right.
question.
We don't have to follow football, right?
Colin Ramirez, Sag Solon, then Colin Ramirez.
All right.
Congratulations to
Colin.
Ramirez.
All right. Colin, yeah, you pass. All right. Who are the main striker? How you call the next name for striker? Forward. The YG.
Who now YG forward?
Who
Me
are
and
the
striker.
main? Who are the
Me
main?
and
Who are the
striker.
main forward?
Me and striker for YG.
Who are the main forward?
And you win yourself a pass. Why this watch a car?
The chat hat? The chat hat? The chat sugat?
Sukati.
The chat sugat?
Yes, man.
Why the chat the hand? Woo! You say why me don't want to go through it?
Who are the main striker?
Who are YG me and striker?
Her name a player for YG.
Name a player? Alright, good easy.